so the sun is definitely in my eyes, but hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So journey to fix my teeth. I have an appointment with Candid, and right now I'm on the road. I'm just trying to find them. People that can see me probably think I look crazy because I'm holding a ring light in my face and holding a camera in my face, but I'm sure it's LA. I'm sure they're used to this. So I'm just trying to find the venue right now, so I'm just on the road trying to find the venue. So when I find the venue, we'll go right in. Okay, alrighty, see you in a bit. Okay, get you a water, by the way? Yes, please. Still or sparkling? Sparkling is fine. Alright. Yeah, thank you. So you guys, so far their service is A1. So I'm supposed to brush my teeth. So I'm just gonna do that now. And then go to the next step.
Awesome. We're gonna get a photo of your right side profile, so you can just keep looking straight forward.
Okay.
No smile for this one.
Okay.
Great. We're gonna get some photos now specifically of your teeth, and in order to give us a kind of a better view, if you open, you can do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so the first photo we're going to take is going to be of your right bite. So bite down, make sure your back teeth are touching.
Okay.
With both hands, I'm going to need you to grab this chin strap here. So I'm going to need you to set that down.
Okay. It's going to look crazy.
So both hands grab that chin strap.
Okay.
You're going to pull slightly out towards me. So take both hands on that. Mm-hmm. Pull slightly out towards me, and then pull over to your right ear. Pull back towards your right ear, just like that.
Oh.
Keep pulling back a little bit further towards your right ear, and bite down all the way. Can you pull back towards the right? Just like that. And bring your tongue all the way back. Great. We're going to do the same thing on your left side in just a second. Great. We're gonna get a photo of your center bite. So just a minute, just keep up.
Oh, I don't mean to interrupt. But please hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you. Carry on.
All the way back. All the way back. So bring it low like you had it before. So we need to see the surfaces of your teeth.
Okay.
So if you want to look in there, just bring it all the way back. So like bring it low. Try to think of like swallowing your tongue.
It's so hard.
It's okay, everyone struggles with this. So just relax. There you go. Perfect. Bring it back a little further if you can. Open a little wider for me. Perfect. Hold right there. Great. Maybe of your upper teeth. So in just a second, I'm going to have you open real wide and just tilt your head back for me.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Open. Open real wide. Set this back in the wrapper.
Yes.
Go ahead. Can you turn your head towards me? Slightly. Just slots there. Yeah, so you're just basically, most people just take them out when they eat.
Oh wow, okay.
What were you expecting?
18 hours maybe?
We're not far off.
22, it's like, okay, I have to make sure that I eat within 2 hours throughout the whole day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then every 2 weeks you're gonna change to the next step, and then... What's that?
I'm trying to think of how, oh, like this.
Yeah, so there's we give you a cheek retractor, kind of like the one we used for the photos.
Okay.
And there's magnets, it clicks right into place there.
Right,
and then they just go right and left. Just scan your mouth, it's super easy to use.
Okay.
But the last thing we can talk about quick is just pricing and the packages we have. So as I said before, the incentive that we have in the studio, we're able to take $100 off the cost of your treatment if you move forward today. So we have 2 different packages.
$100?
Yeah.
Okay.
That $100 no good?
But carry on.
Man, if I saw $100 on the ground, I'm picking it up.
Oh no, definitely.
So that's what it is. I mean, you have to understand, so traditional clear aligners are anywhere between $5,000 and $10,000. So we already operate at 65% cost. So the $1,900 for the package, for our basic package, is still 65% cost of what you're paying. Usually, traditional braces or the Invisalign brand of clear aligners, it's $5,000 just for the material alone. And then you have to pay for all the office visits, you have to pay for whitening foam, you have to pay for a retainer. So you're looking at anywhere between $5,000 and $10,000. So when you look at $1,800 compared to $5,000, it's a bit of a savings there. But your basic package here includes everything in the kit. So you get your aligners, retainer, whitening foam, everything like that. And then our Kit Plus, which I probably recommend, includes everything here. And you also get the dental monitoring included. And with that, it gives you the direct oversight of the orthodontist every 10 days. And then it also has a chance to possibly speed up your treatment plan by up to 30%. So you take a 6-month plan, and you can basically potentially knock it down to about 4.5 months. So which of the 2 options did you think were more exciting for you? Which would you be kind of leaning towards?
The basics.
Okay.
Guys, if you come do your teeth, just know I advise you not to have lipstick on because you end up looking crazy. You guys, do my teeth look like struggle? We need to get it fixed, don't we? Oh dear. Yeah. Bye. Oops. Okay guys, so that's done. I've done my scan and now we just wait. Everyone was really sweet, really nice, so hopefully that's how the treatment situation goes. They said it can last anywhere from 6 months to 12 months, so hopefully I'm in the 6 months mark and then I can finally close my gaps I've had for 30 years. Birthday present to myself, I think so. Okay, I want to look for something to eat real quick. Actually, no, I'm gonna go home. My girl made some nice food. She's visiting from Chicago, so she's in town and she's cooking. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna go and go have some food because my girl is cooking at home, so I don't need to spend any money. I just need to call my Uber right now and head home. See you soon.